Dear students, I have come with a new module, and in this module we are going to do two problems to compute index number using Fisher's formula, and we will prove that it will satisfy time and factor reversal tests. So the first problem, calculate Fisher's index from the following data and show that it satisfies both the tests. So commodities PQRST, base year price is there, 10, 8, 20, 18 and 35. So next column you have to remember that this is an adjustment. It's base year value. That meaning it is not Q0, it's P0, Q0. So the value, it's not the quantity. So 200, 108, 160, 144 and 280. Next year's is current year value. That meaning it's P1, Q1 values. You have to find out the Q1 value from this. So the values are 300, 220, 250, 140 and 300. Now current year quantity 25, 22, 10, 7 and 10. Now let's see how we will do this. So base year price is P0, base year value is P0, Q0. That meaning Q0 values you have to find out from the base year value. Next is current year value P1, Q1 is given. Current year quantity Q1 is given. That meaning the P1 values you have to find out from the current year quantity. Now we have explained the table. P0 values are there. Q0, P1, Q1, P1, Q0, P0, Q0, P1, Q1 and P0, Q1. The total values are 975, 892, 1210, 1102. Now we will substitute the values in the equation to calculate the Fisher's index number. So when we substitute the values in the equation, that is square root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. When we substitute the values, the index is root of 975 divided by 892 into 1210 divided by 1102 into 100. So you are getting index value as 109.5524. So this indicates that prices increased by 9.5524% in the current year compared to that of base year for the commodities included in the index. Now the next step is we have to prove the time reversal test and factor reversal test. Time reversal test, you know that when we are computing P01, that meaning 1 year we are considering it as base year. Say for example 2020 you have considered as base year and current year is 2021. Now P01 into P10 should be equal to 1. P10 meaning now you are changing 2020 as your current year and 2021 as your base year. That meaning you are interchanging the base year and current year, then also the product will be unity or 1. So that is what we are going to do. P01, the square root of 975 divided by 892 into 1210 divided by 1102. P10 is 1102 divided by 1210 into 892 divided by 975. Now when you do that, common figures you can cancel it. That meaning P01 into P10 is equal to square root of 975 divided by 892 into 1210 divided by 1102 into 1102 divided by 1210 into 892 divided by 975. So all the values will get cancelled. That is equal to root 1, that is equal to 1. That is how we have proved the time reversal test. Now let's come to the factor reversal test. Factor reversal test is we have to prove that P01 into Q01 is equal to P1 Q1 divided by P0 Q0. That meaning whatever values we have considered as price, now we are changing it as quantity. So then ultimate figure should be sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. Now we will prove that P01 is square root of 975 divided by 892 into 1210 divided by 1102. Q01 is square root of 1102 divided by 892 into 1210 divided by 975. So when you take that square root of 1210 square divided by 892 square. That is what you are getting. So when you are taking the square root out, you are getting 1210 divided by 892. That is sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. You can see that 1210 is the table and 892 is the sigma P0 Q0. So this is how the factor reversal test is also proved. Now let's go to the second problem. So second problem is construct Fisher's index from the following data and show that it satisfies time reversal and factor reversal test. So here commodities A to E and base year price is there, base year quantity is there, current year price is there and current year quantity. So this is a direct problem, whereas the first problem you have to remember when values are given, you have to find out the missing value from the information. Now we have to do the computation. The solution is explained in the table. P1 Q0 value is 7600, P0 Q0 is 5440, P1 Q1 is 7040, P0 Q1 is 5056. Now we have to substitute the values in the equation. You will get the index value is 139.473. So that means the prices in the current year increased by 39.473% compared to that of base year for the commodities included in the index. Now we have to prove both the tests. One is time reversal test and second one is factor reversal test. Time reversal test is P01 into P10 is equal to 1. Now we substitute the values in the equation. We will get P01 is square root of 7600 divided by 5440 into 7040 divided by 5056. P10, that is we are interchanging the current year and the base year. It is square root of 5056 divided by 7040 into 5440 divided by 7600. Now all the values will get cancelled, that is P01 into P10 is equal to 1. That is how we have proved the time reversal test. Now we have to prove the factor reversal test, that is P01 into Q01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. That meaning interchanging price with the quantity. What all values you have considered as price, you are considering it as quantity. Whatever quantity you have considered, you are considering it as price. So the ultimate value should be the value index. So that we are proving that P01 is equal to square root of 7600 divided by 5440 into 7040 divided by 5056. Q01 is square root of 5056 divided by 5440 into 7040 divided by 7600. Now you multiply these values, so you will get square root of 7040 squared divided by 5440 squared. So that meaning when you take the square root out, it is 7040 divided by 5440. So when you check in the tabulation, the solution, that you can see that 7040 is the P1 Q1, that is the current year quantity into current year price, divided by 5440, that is sigma P0 Q0, that is base year price and base year quantity. So this ultimate figure is the value index. So this is how we have proved the factor reversal test also. So we have proved that when you are using Fisher's ideal index, it will satisfy time reversal and factor reversal test. So this is what I want to explain in this module. Thank you.